I'm going to be making a cardboard guitar rockstar art. I printed this off Google image, so I'm going to cut this out and use the other bit for the next copy. So I'm going to use this bit to cut out the next piece. So what I'm doing right now is putting sellotape on, so when I go to cut it, it doesn't move around. So here we go, both pieces. Next, cutting out the side panels to go around the corners. Now gluing the side panels on. More glue for the long bit. Let's glue the top bit on. So here we go, all done. All I need to do now is put the strings on and paint it. I'm going to use skewer sticks to put the strings on. With this, I was all thumbs, but I did manage to do it. There we go, my cardboard art rockstar guitar. It plays a good tune. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.